Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. It's Monday, which means it's Casing the Catty Monday. I did mention last week, however, that for the next 3 consecutive Mondays, I will be sharing with you some of the cards that I received. I took part in 3 different card swaps. A lot of fun, you guys. A great way to get a bunch of different ideas because let's face it, we're all different. We're all unique. We're all making different things. So I'm going to flip my camera and I'm going to share some of the cards that I received. Now, I will have over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com, I will have everybody's cards over there. So if you click in the description, that will take you over to my blog where you can see all the different cards that I received, as well as a list of all the supplies that were used. So yeah, let's flip that camera. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. You can either click on that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen, or you can click the subscribe button. Either way, I'd love for you to join in on the fun. And yeah, we're going to flip the camera and we are going to get started. This is our first card. This first card comes from Karen. Now, please forgive me if I'm not saying your name correctly. And again, I will not be giving any last names on camera just for the fear that I'm going to mispronounce it or not say it right. But I will have everybody's info over on my website. So again, this first card is from Karen and it's beautiful. Love it. Our second card that we have in the card swap is from Jo Agnes. I love the little cat punch. Super cute. Adorable little card. Our third card. This card comes from Mary Beth. Beautiful card. I love the stitched heart. Now this is on a bit of a dimension over here. I've never seen somebody put dimension on the inside of a card, but it's cute and I love it. Thanks, Mary Beth. Our next card comes from Larry's Loving Light. Beautiful card. Now, if you notice, the paper has like glitter in it. And I'm wondering if this is the Whisper White shimmer paper. It's so pretty. Either that or she's used Wink of Stella to get all this like glittery look. One or the other. But it is beautiful. Couple rhinestones. Such a pretty card. Now, stamping on the inside of all these cards is optional. Our next card comes from Anita. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so cute. Anita's used the new rectangles, which I love. I haven't purchased yet, but I'm going to. Cute card. Thank you so much, Anita. And then our final card, this card comes from Tracy. Just a stunning card. This is one of my favorite DSP. It's a Million Little Things. Super cute cards. Thank you, everyone. I love card swaps. A great way to get a bunch of different cards. And again, I will have images of all the different cards with everybody's information. So if you want to head on over to my website, www.stampwithshar.com, there you'll be able to see everybody's works of art. I hope you all have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Take care.